Now let us understand what is the use of subtotal function. Subtotal functions will calculate the total of like suppose I have four different zones: east zone, west zone, north zone and south zone. So it will calculate the subtotal of each zone. So for this, first of all, what you have to do is you have to sort it according to the zones. Like all east zones items should to get come together, west zone items should come together, then only subtotal will be calculated. Otherwise it will not be you will not be able to calculate the subtotal. Now you have to decide that on the basis of which column you want to calculate subtotal. So because I have numbers only in this column, so I can calculate subtotal only on the basis of this column. So you can click on sales, then go to the data tab and there is an option of subtotal. You can click on this. Now it is asking at each change in you want to calculate the total subtotal on the basis of what? Because we have arranged according to the zones, we have done the sorting according to the zones. So I wanted to calculate according to zones only. Then I wanted to calculate sum. Now add subtotal to where the value has to be displayed in the sales column. So we because we have to calculate the subtotal of sales. So we will select sales. Okay. And okay. So as soon as you will click on OK button, it will show you the subtotal of each zone. This is the subtotal of east zone, then west zone, then north zone, and then south zone, and then grand total is coming. So it means you need not to insert this grand total also. So automatically it will calculate the grand total. Let's undo it and remove this column of grand total once. Now go to subtotal. Sorry, I need to select column C, subtotal, zone, sales. Okay. Now this is subtotal and the grand total. So now suppose I don't wanted to see that how what is the sales. I only wanted to see the total sales of east zone, west zone, north zone. I don't want to see individual items. So I there as you can see there are three buttons of 1, 2 and 3. If I click on 3, nothing will happen because it will not club, because it is talking about column C. Column C, we have values in column C. If I'll click on 2, then automatically it will show me only the subtotals as well as grand total. But if I click on 1, then it will show me only the grand total, not even the subtotal. So we need to see the subtotals as well as grand total. So we can click on 2. Clear? If you want to again check how many items and what is the sales of per item, you can click on this plus sign. Automatically east zone will get expand and all the items will be visible. You can check the sales of each item from here. So this is a use of subtotal function. I hope it is clear to everyone. So basically we have used the subtotal function to calculate the subtotals of each and every item according to their category. Like suppose if they belongs to suppose you have to create a list of all the marks, and we have 40 students in a class, and English I want to calculate the subtotal of English marks, then Hindi marks, then maths marks, then science marks. So in this way you can calculate the subtotal.